The use of surface movement radar, SMR, is directly related to the operational conditions of the aerodrome. That is, the visibility conditions, the traffic density, and the complexity of the aerodrome layout. It is particularly employed to enable the detection of all aircraft and vehicular surface movement on the maneuvering area in a clear and unambiguous manner. It augments visual observations. SMR is used to assist in the compliance of movement clearances and instructions. Determining that a runway is clear of traffic prior to aircraft landing or taking off. Monitoring of traffic on or near the maneuvering area. Determining the exact location of traffic on the maneuvering area. Providing direct taxi information to aircraft when the pilot has requested it. Providing assistance to emergency traffic.